Hey everyone, Enzo here, back with another video. Today's pretty exciting and pretty different by comparison, but excited to be doing a quick unboxing video of my brand new V-Control Touch Evo in the gunmetal gray color. So since I switched to Mikado over the summer, last year I've been flying on a V-Control Classic, which is their older radio prior to the original Touch. That I got through another heli guy in the community, Joe Reyes. Appreciate that again, boss. That radio has been awesome. Taught me kind of a lot of the verbiage and a lot of the menus and stuff from Mikado. And it's been awesome. You know, I use it to fly, to sim with. And it's been great up until this upgrade. So going to be kind of putting that one into retirement, using it as like a backup in a sim radio. And I'm excited to start off the flying season with my fresh V-Control Touch. So let's go ahead and get the seal cracked and open it up and see what you get in the box with the brand new V-Control Touch Evo. All right, seals have been cracked. You guys are gonna see it for the first time, just like myself, have not peeked the box open. So here we go. There it is. Got some paperwork. Looks like our manual for the V-Control Evo. I will definitely be going over some of this just to get caught up on some of the info. So we get our manual and got our protection, and then bam, there it is. Pretty sweet. Pretty pumped for this actually. So it is packaged up pretty snug, I will say. So I might have to do a little cut and come back once we have the radio out of the plastic. So let me go ahead and do that. That way you guys can get a good view of the radio. But this is what you get so far. So let's take it out of the plastic and we'll be right back. All right, we are back in the office. We're gonna go through, kind of just highlight a little bit of the details on the color for the V-Control Touch Evo in gunmetal gray. So this color has like a little bit of a metallic type finish to it. I wouldn't really say that it has like flakes in it, but it definitely has some tiny little like chips, so to speak. It's really hard to pick up. They're really fine. But when the sun hits it or the light hits it, you can kind of see a little bit of a little sparkle slash like faint glare to it to give it that pretty stealthy, sleek look. So that's pretty neat. I really like this color. It looks really good in person. The camera's picking it up pretty accurately, but I would say it has a little bit of a darker hue than the camera's showing right now. I know colors can sometimes get a little bit backed up and confused on a camera, so they're fairly accurate, but I would say it's a tiny bit darker than the camera that I'm looking at right now. I do like that Mikado, with this radio and most of their color options when you buy it, they do give you the black short gimbal sticks for the gimbals. I'm a fan of them. I have the exact same gimbal sticks on my Classic. They're really sharp and they kind of complement the look, so that's pretty cool that you get them. The V is, you do get a black V on this radio. I think in some of the past ones they came with a red V, so it's cool to see they went with the black V for this one. You do also get all of the rubber switch covers for the radio, kind of complements the look with the grips in the color. So really sleek. Again, really happy with the initial impressions of it. So yeah, again, I just want to make a quick unboxing video, kind of show you guys what you get. The radio up close and personal. Up next for me is going to be powering it on, getting it set up, registered to my Mikado account and all that fun stuff, but I don't think you guys want to see all that. So again, just a quick unboxing video. Really pumped to kick off the new flying year with a fresh radio. So yeah, thank you everyone for watching, and we will definitely be back on some new videos in the future, some quick updates or some initial post-use impressions of the new radio, and maybe even one comparing this radio to the Classic that I had, to kind of show some of the differences if people want. So yeah, thank you again for watching, and we will see you guys in the next one. Take care.